We can do better than this.
Today, we will be making a pastry glazed in confectionery sauce. I hope that we're up for the challenge.
I just don't know what we're gonna do if this doesn't work. This is life or death out here.
Every time he's in the kitchen, there's just something that he does. It's just, he eats everything he touches. And I don't know how to approach him about it. It's just like, hey Joe, stop eating every single thing you look at. If this keeps going on, I'm not gonna call him the big dogs. How am I supposed to bake under these conditions? He's like a human vacuum. Are you laughing at me? You think this is funny? Does he drink it all?
Back to the kitchen.
astronaut.
Okay. Donut, 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 Mr. Skunk. Wait a second, Mr. Skunk! What are you doing here? Think that, Sarah. I say we did better than her.
That's why we do it. It smiles.
And hey, donuts don't taste too bad either.
See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching our vlog. Joe just, every time he's in the kitchen, there's a thing that he does. It's just, he eats everything he touches. We need to redo that. That's why we do it. For the smiles.
And hey, donuts don't taste too bad either. Thanks for watching, guys.
No.
Dance break. Back to the kitchen.